Klaviyo wants to help you work faster and smarter. With Klaviyo's SMS Assistant, powered by AI, you can simplify the process of writing impactful copy for your SMS campaigns. Take Beantown Coffee as an example. They use AI to auto-generate SMS messages that are customized based on their messaging goals. When using the SMS Assistant, Beantown first specifies the type of campaign that they want to create. Next, they have the option to insert a specific product name if they wish to mention one. Then the final step for Beantown is to write a campaign description 1 to 2 sentences in length. The description should be detailed, but the tone should feel conversational, like you're describing it to a friend. Once they complete all the fields, Beantown can generate ideas until they find a message that they like or a draft that they want to use as inspiration to write their own message. In just a few steps, Beantown has created a new SMS campaign. Now it's your turn to access unlimited copy ideas for your next SMS campaign. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, let us know by liking and subscribing so that you won't miss out on any of our other future videos. Plus, be sure to check out the description to take your next steps as you learn and grow with Klaviyo.